Hasta la pizza, baby. So this is the beginning of part 2. I did some work off camera. I got the downpipe out, and I got 6 of the 8 tranny bolts out. The last 2 are just nuts, and I'm not sure how to get to them yet. They're not these nuts. Haha. There I go again, being an idiot. So today, what I'm going to try and get out is the O2 sensor, those last 2 tranny nuts, and hopefully the clutch fork, I think, is all that's left after that. But I really don't know how I'm gonna do that. That's the starter, okay. There's a hole in the tranny that I was unsure what was there beforehand, but it was just the starter. Alright. Alright, so I can't get the last 2 tranny nuts out because I don't have a proper socket. This 1/2-inch drive is the only one I have, and this is the only joint bit, I guess you could call it, that I have, and it's way too big for the location that I need to get this out of. So I'm unfortunately gonna have to wait on the tranny bolt, but that doesn't mean I can't get the O2 sensor out, or the is this in the way? I don't know. Or the motor mount bolts off, actually, and the clutch fork. So I guess I'll do that. Man, selfies are not very easy with this. I don't have a flip out screen, not fancy, but the O2 sensor is, let's see if my autofocus will work. The O2 sensor is that little pole sticking out right there, right where my shadow's hitting. So I think I need to take my wheel off to get to it. Turns out I don't have the tool to take out an O2 sensor either. So I guess it's the clutch fork. Next. Alright, so I'm still going to make this part 2 of the thing, although I didn't do jack shit tonight. I'm only going to make it a short video. I mean short depending on how long this part is. But yeah, I don't have any of the tools to get the last bolts out. And I'm also just an idiot. So this engine ain't coming out anytime soon. If you like this build, if you like what I'm doing, you know, hovering over my engine like this, all sexy and whatnot, please like and subscribe. Ignore the shaky video. That's just a byproduct of me trying to balance right now. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell me I'm an idiot. Do whatever you want to do, man. Share it. I don't know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, God. So just to show, or just to say that I made some progress today, I got the chain on the engine.